Welcome to Fact Fusion Network. Today we're embarking on a journey to explore one of the most intriguing
regions of our solar system, the asteroid belt.
Buckle up as we delve into the world of space rocks and their vital role in our cosmic neighborhood. The asteroid belt is a vast region located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. It's filled with millions of rocky bodies, ranging from tiny dust particles
To the dwarf planet series.
But how did this rocky region come to be around 6 billion years ago?
Our solar system formed from
A massive cloud of gas and dust, while most of this material coalesced to form the planets. Some of it remained as leftover debris, forming the asteroid belt we know today. The asteroids in the belt are primarily composed of rock
and metalled. They're classified
into three main types. C-type, carbonaceous.
S-type, silicaceous.
Wide and M-type, metallic.
C-type asteroids are the most common, making up about 75% of known asteroids.
They're rich in carbon and appear very dark. S-type asteroids are made of silicate materials and nickel iron, giving them a brighter appearance. M-type asteroids are composed mainly of metallic iron
And nickel, some of the most.
Significant objects in the asteroid belt include Ceres, Vesta, Pallas, and Hygeia. Ceres, the largest object, is classified as a dwarf planet and makes up about 1/3
Of the belt's total mass, Vesta is the second largest body in the belt and is known for its unique surface features,
including massive craters and mountain ranges. Pallas and Hygeia, while smaller, also play important roles in our understanding of asteroid composition and behavior. The asteroid belt acts as a cosmic time capsule, preserving materials from the early solar system. By studying these space rocks, scientists gain valuable insights into the processes that shaped our planetary system. Missions like NASA's Dawn spacecraft, which visited Vesta and Ceres, have provided unprecedented data on the composition and history of these celestial bodies. Such missions help us understand not only the formation of asteroids, but also the conditions that led to the development of planets. While the asteroid belt is generally a stable region, some asteroids do pose a potential threat to Earth. Studying these objects allows us to develop strategies for planetary defense and mitigate the risk of future impacts. Future missions aim to further explore the asteroid belt, uncovering more secrets about our solar system's past and potentially harnessing resources for space exploration. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the asteroid belt. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Fact Fusion Network, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments what other cosmic topics you'd like us to explore. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars